Don't know what today is. Today is Taco Tuesday. What is it, Z? What is it, Miss Courtney? What is it, D? What is it, Sam? What is it? I don't know what's wrong with her, but she won't get me down because it is Taco Tuesday. Little spit from the end.
Welcome back to another episode of Whip It Up with Jay. Don't forget to hit that like button below, subscribe if you're new, and definitely leave a comment, let me know what you think. On the screen here, we have a list of our dry ingredients that we're gonna be using to season our boneless chicken thighs. And this is a little bit under a pound of chicken thighs. And what I'm doing is just mixing up that dry seasoning, and we gonna coat that chicken up like it's cold outside, man. Like that chicken need a sweater. We're gonna coat that thing up real good, guys. You know me, I gotta have my chicken tasting good. Ain't no bland chicken over here, and to do that, gotta be generous, guys. And we're just gonna toss it on there. We're gonna do that to both sides of the chicken. We have our pan to a medium high with a little bit of oil drizzled in there, and we're gonna just drop that chicken thigh all up in there and let it do its thing for about 6 minutes. We're not gonna touch it, not gonna do nothing but admire the beauty of that goddamn chicken. And after the 6 minutes, you're gonna just do a little bit of a flip and just admire how beautiful that color is on that chicken. That's all you're gonna do. You're just gonna be looking at it and be like, I cannot wait till you're done. All right, chicken is cooked for another 6 minutes on the opposite side, and we're just gonna remove the chicken from the pan and put it to the side. And yes, that thing look juicy, and yes, that thing look good. But guys, resist the temptation. Don't bite that chicken yet. Just give it some time. We gotta get the rest of this food together. Into that same pan, I add a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna drop some onion up in that thing. To this, we're also going to be adding some minced garlic. Once we're done letting those ingredients cook just for a little bit, we're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. We're gonna also be adding 1 cup of tomato sauce, and I went ahead and slapped a picture of the exact tomato sauce I use in this recipe. I use Hunt's. Came out really good. I also dropped in a little bit of salt and pepper just to make sure our sauce was seasoned to perfection, because you know the motto, ain't no bland food over here. Gotta have that thing seasoned up right, guys. And the last very important ingredient to this sauce is some diced chipotle peppers. And guys, this stuff is spicy. So you must add with care, guys. Don't go crazy and put too much or it will be crazy spicy. I added just a little bit probably best to add a little bit at a time, taste it, add a little bit more to your liking, depending on how spicy you like your tacos. Once we get that to a boil, we're gonna add the chicken back up in the sauce, and we're gonna toss this chicken with the sauce in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. That sauce is gonna reduce. All those flavors are gonna just melt together, and you will have something looking as delicious as what I'm looking at right now on this screen. This is hands down one of the best tacos I ever had. I think I've outdone myself on this one. This is so good, guys. You guys have to try this. I say that every episode, but it's true. You guys have to try this. You can't just sit here and watch and not try this. It's so good. Your family will enjoy it. And what I'm doing is kind of breaking up the chicken. I'm not trying to shred them completely. I kind of want it in kind of like chunks. So I'm just kind of cutting it up to like small chunks, guys. That's all I'm doing here. And when it comes to making tacos, this is my favorite part of the whole thing. The assembly line. We're gonna put these tacos together. I have myself a toasted up flour tortilla. We toss that good old chicken in there. We toss a cheese blend, and we topped it with a little bit of lettuce, and then added some more cheese on that thing, guys. When I tell you these tacos are so good, I would not lie to you. I speak nothing but the truth. These tacos are amazing, so good. You feed this to your family, they're gonna be looking at you like you crazy, like where these tacos came from, because these are so good, you guys. These are so freaking good. My goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Once you do, come back in the comments. Let me know how good it was, guys. Come back to the comments. Let me know. You guys do it all the time. I want all you guys to come back and let me know how good these tacos are, because I know you guys are gonna love them. And that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment below. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. It's your boy, Whip It Up with Jay, and I'm out this thing.